Hey guys, and welcome back to my vlog. I am at Shepherd's Bush. I'm going to meet my friend, which is 20 minutes from here, and that is the West Field. It's like a mall over here. And my bus has also arrived, 31 to Camden Town. And with this bus, it'll take me around 20 minutes to reach my destination where they are waiting. And this is my Oyster card. Now, in London, we have something known as Oyster card that we tap on the card reader as our money gets deducted once we tap it. And I really love this card because it's all colorful and it's all pretty, and I think I've been having it for the past 3 years now. So I'm going to go on the upper deck and sit down. Of course, I need to adjust my hair and look pretty on the vlog, like always. It's rainy weather outside, it's a beautiful weather, and the journey is around 20 minutes and it has 23 stops. The stop that I'm going to get off is this one out here. Basically, it's going to take 20 minutes, but it took me 1 hour to reach my destination, and I met my friends who were waiting for me so patiently. And this is the place we are going to be enjoying the evening. The entrance was very nice, very beautiful. The decor was really nice, blue, and then the inside was all red up there. We really didn't expect this many people out over there. We didn't expect it to be crowded, but it was good. It was a good rainy weather as well to enjoy some good shisha. We've been planning this day for the quite long time now, and finally we are here. I think it's been a long time since I did some shisha, and I really don't do it very often. I think it's once in a while that I would go out for shisha or something like that with my friends and all, just to chill. If not, if I'm not in the mood, then even if they are sitting around, then I wouldn't do anything. I would just be sitting there. But yeah, this place was very beautiful. I really enjoyed the moment over there. If you guys are ever around the area, go visit the place. It's really nice. Finally back home with a wonderful evening with my friends, and I have no time to cook, absolutely no time. I came home at around 1:30 in the morning. It was 1:30 late night in the morning. You can call it morning, but it's AM. Anyways, I had some butter chicken left in my fridge, so I'm gonna eat that with bread. And yeah, that's gonna be my dinner. I'm pretty super 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 hungry. I hope you guys has enjoyed my video, and do like, share, and subscribe. Those who are new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe, like, and share. Comment down below, and lots of love. Bye now.